In this video, you will learn how to change Amazon gift cards into cash. Sell the gift card on an exchange website. Use a trusted platform such as Card Cash or Raise to sell your Amazon gift card, usually at discounted rate. List on online marketplaces. Sell your Amazon gift card on other platforms. This could be at platforms like eBay, where buyers will pay close to the full value. Trade with friends or family. Offer a gift card to someone you know who shops on Amazon in exchange for some of their cash. Use gift cards. Check a local kiosk in store or on the mall to buy gift cards instantly for cash through a reduced value. Use the card to buy resellable items. Popular items on Amazon and resell them locally online, or to convert the gift card into cash. Exchange through peer-to-peer platforms. Apps like PayPal or Venmo groups sometimes will allow peer-to-peer exchanges of gift cards for extra money. Now you know how to change Amazon gift cards into cash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.